Today we're going to show you several different indoor gardening setups. There are many ways to do this, and our staff can help you with any questions you might have. There's also plenty of information you can find on the subject. We have a full range of products for use with hydroponics or growing mediums and soil and pots such as these. Here are some examples of how you can incorporate your various plants into your home decor. Hydroponic setups are a little different and use only water for the roots' uptake of nutrients. You can use a bucket system or flood and drain table. Both are very effective at producing large yields in a relatively short amount of time. Come and see us at Ontario Grower Supply, London's #1 choice for indoor gardening.